The Debussy brand is owned by the Funky Sound Studio, a startup whose members include a number of experienced audio engineers and designers. At the heart of all three models is Iris, which Debussy is calling a smart sound system. Iris is the system behind the headphones and includes a powerful processor, an OLED touchscreen display, USB-C charging, and both voice and gesture controls. You can use Iris to stream directly from services such as Tidal, Spotify and Qobuz over 4G, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, or you can store music on the 32 GB of built-in storage. Iris also includes Debussy's sound signature technology, SST, and accurate natural sound technology, ANST, with the headphones in the range boasting 20 hours of battery life.